we're back. Y'all remember the red Caravan? I had to was attempting was going to do an alignment. They asked for an alignment, but I found out that their problem is not alignment related at all. Okay, this is actually what was causing the shimmy. Well, I don't know why it took a week for them to approve the tires. I got 4 new tires. Actually, someone put on 4 new tires and perform my alignment. But guys, look at this tire. Yes, this is definitely what causes the shimmy. Now, of course, naturally you should inspect the brakes and all, but for now they want new tires and alignment. So I just got 4 new tires I'm going to replace. In fact, let's go ahead and roll this back. All right, here's my 4 tires right here, guys. So they got me some extensive. Okay, Toyo. I don't know. Not familiar with the brand, but okay, they're brand new tires, and they would definitely be 100 times better than the ones that's on here. All right, so we got a new tire machine, guys. So I will get a chance to use our new tire machine. Y'all see that? That looks 100 times better than the one we had. Okay, so guys, I got work to do. I guess I'll show one in action, putting it on in action. Here's 3. I have 3 over here. I gotta go roll the other one over here. But let's see, this machine. Who makes this? Hunter. Okay, so we got a brand new Hunter tire machine. I think they did this for the low riders. We used to have a hard time putting on low rider tires. Yeah. Let's see, this will press down on the tire. Okay. New way to set it up. New way to bust the tire open. Now, we've always had this Hunter balance machine. So, road force balance, it does it all. So, I will be installing new tires and performing a balance on the new tires. And last but not least, we're going to end up on this machine here. Okay, right now somebody doing a 2500 on here, but this is a real good machine. Only problem is not teamed up with a good rack. Okay, if you're gonna have a brand new good machine, I really think you should have a decent rack. The rack jerks, and when you level it down with the locks in place, it's not even. So you just got to make some adjustment when you're doing it. But yes, this is the alignment machine we use. So yes, that's what my part of my day gonna consist of. Okay, guys, so let me get to work. I got a whole lot of other jobs to do, but I need to knock this easy stuff out first. So guys, stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. right, guys, I just done the alignment. Y'all know I do not like filming and driving at the same time, but we have to test drive this thing. Y'all know the importance. First thing customers look at when you doing alignment is how straight their wheel is. Okay, now I don't care. It really, yes, the machine is a major factor, but guys, sometimes you can do everything right doing an alignment and your steering wheel still be off center. Okay, so do not panic when that happens. In fact, I did a video on how to take care of that. Because guys, sometimes it's the way you set up. All right, not saying you're setting the machine up wrong, but it's a lot of factors that play into that. Now that doesn't mean after you do the alignment, you did something wrong with your steering wheel, just a little off-centered. There's a couple of little things you can do. Now, I have a video on that, guys, a hack that I tend to do when this happened. Okay, it's not up right now, but I'm gonna card it right here. So when I do put it up, I'm just gonna install the card right in this place. All right, so guys, I'm pretty much done. In fact, this one is fairly straight. You get on an even road, an even straight road, and drive. Let go of the steering wheel. Two things you're looking for: make sure the car do not pull, and the other is make sure the steering wheel is straight. All right, I have accomplished both. So guys, thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Man, don't you just hate when this happens? Trying to take this tie rod off of this knuckle so you can replace this knuckle assembly. Put your socket on here and it just go. Nobody's connecting. That means it's time to go home after that. All right, guys, let me rig this up.